Electrical health is the backbone of every vehicle, and knowing exactly what is happening with your voltage can prevent problems before they turn into costly repairs. The Bosch Style Line 2-inch electrical voltmeter gauge is designed for drivers who want clear, reliable information and a refined, professional look inside their vehicle. Whether you are restoring a classic car, upgrading a custom build, or adding essential monitoring to a daily driver, this gauge delivers precision you can trust. This voltmeter features a standard 2-inch black dial designed to fit a 2-1/16-inch opening, making it compatible with most aftermarket gauge pods and panels. It measures voltage across an 8 to 18 volt range with a smooth 60-degree sweep, allowing you to quickly confirm charging system performance at a glance. The bright pointer contrasts clearly against the clean dial face, ensuring excellent readability in both daylight and low light conditions. Built for durability and style, the gauge includes a black bezel with a removable black mounting panel for a clean, finished appearance. Internal 12-volt backlighting provides consistent illumination at night, while the included mounting hardware helps simplify installation. This is an electrical gauge and requires proper hookup wiring during installation. It is designed exclusively for 12-volt negative ground systems and is not intended for other electrical configurations. What truly sets this gauge apart is the engineering behind it. Bosch is known worldwide for precision, innovation, and reliability, backed by more than a century of experience in automotive, industrial, and racing applications. The Style Line series reflects that heritage, combining modern styling with dependable performance for enthusiasts who demand more than basic instrumentation. Many users praise the overall build quality and accuracy of this gauge, noting its solid feel and dependable operation once installed. While installation instructions may require careful reading or prior experience with wiring gauges, the end result is a clean, professional upgrade that enhances both function and appearance. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your vehicle's electrical system and gauge mounting location. If you want a high-quality voltmeter that delivers accurate readings and timeless style, this Bosch Style Line electrical voltmeter gauge is an excellent choice. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable automotive gauges, upgrades, and accessories.